This is incredible. And if you take a dictionary like Lisan al-Arab, which is this huge dictionary that only deals with the Arabic of the days of the Prophet ﷺ and before that and the early period, it's like the words are so rich. They're so profound. So who were the people who spoke that language? What were they like? Because this human mind only works by the tongue. I cannot make my mind work, nor can you, unless we can find words to express this treasure that we find in our heart. If you have good language, then we can expect you to think well. If you are oppressed and denied language, you will not be able to think well. In the history of the oppression of peoples, usually their oppressors deny them language. Keep their language stupid and simple. So they can't talk about anything that's complex. That's why in the process of revolution, you've got to raise the language. You've got to begin to talk. You've got to begin to speak. You've got to begin to express. You've got to be precise. Then you become revolutionary. It's very, very important. There is a direct connection between the quality of language and the quality of human thought. That's why for us, as Muslims, we are really concerned about speaking good English. We've got to speak the best English, or French, or German, or Spanish, Castilian, or whatever it may be, and speaking the best Arabic, getting Arabic right, learning it well. These are our languages, always Arabic and our native tongue, whatever it may be.